and we want to be truly off-grid. And so we had 50 solar panels put in with inverters and battery backup.
We really wanted to lower our electric bill with going solar, and we definitely have.
My name is Justin Briscoe. I'm a real estate investor. We have Airbnb properties here in Denison, Texas. We have some commercial properties and we have some city lots, different things like that. This is our residential home that we use as an Airbnb unit. So we rent it out as a short-term rental. We have 37 panels, 15 kilowatts is what that's producing. We have 2 inverters, Solis inverters, and then we have 4 LG batteries. My installer did recommend Solis and LG. I had not heard of Solis previously. LG, of course, it's a big name brand. So I would suggest the system to someone else. I've been very happy with it. It's been very seamless and we haven't had any issues with it.
My name's Hunter Williams. I just recently had solar installed in my home. We did a pretty big system with 4 batteries. Someone who's on the fence of going solar, I would just show them my electric bill and just show them the last couple months, see how much I've saved. Go through the app, I can show them how much I'm using, how much I'm producing. The Solis app is super easy to use. Everything is user-friendly. You just open it up and everything's just right there. It's been a great thing. I have 15 kilowatts of PV, 2 Solis inverters, and 4 LG batteries. My installer recommended all the equipment. We kind of went with it. We knew they were the professionals, so we went with their advice. We really wanted to lower our electric bill with going solar, and we definitely have. I didn't expect the system to produce as much as it has. Being grid tied, I'm not only able to offset the cost of my electric bill, I'm also able to put more money towards my system and also more money into my savings account.
It's something I've always been interested in. Of course, the cost keeps coming down. I love the idea of having off-grid capability. Of course, when the zombies come, I want to be able to have off-grid capability. Also, I believe it adds equity to my home, especially the way we were able to get into this system. It just gives me the confidence because unfortunately, having Airbnb properties, we do have power outages when we have storms. And so then we have guests that come to us and say, hey, our power doesn't work. Of course, they're here on vacation. A lot of people say, well, suck it up, Buttercup. Like that's part of having a storm. But for us, we're in the hospitality business. So a lot of the time we have to give money back. We have to give them a credit because they don't want to stay here if there's no electricity. They came here to be on vacation. So by having this system in place, we'll have the battery backup kick in when we're out. And then that gives the guest that full-time electricity capacity. And then that way we don't miss out on money by having to give them a credit.
We'd had quite a few high electric bills and it was starting to hurt the pocket a little bit. So when we ran across this deal, it was kind of hard to turn down. In the few months that we've had solar, we've saved about $200 a month. We're still seeing the return on our investment take shape. Our account balance on our electric bill is growing, so they're buying back more than what we're using. The installation process was a breeze. Everything went smoothly. Everything was done how it said it was going to be done. We got our system in early April, so we've had it for a few months now. It took about 4 days for everything to get installed. Whenever we first got the system, I was checking on it about every day. Now that we've had it for a little while, I check on it about every other day. I haven't had to make any changes. I've been very pleased with how the installer set everything up. I would rate our Solis and LG system a 10 out of 10. The system has exceeded our expectations. We really didn't know anything about going solar initially, so we kind of jumped into it, but we've been extremely happy with the results. We are actually producing enough energy to where we charge our batteries during the day while we're also powering our house. So we don't have to worry about using any power from the grid at night to charge the batteries or anything. My wife still does laundry in the middle of the night and washes dishes before we go to bed. We just kept rolling the way we were doing things before we had it. So the installer set up all the settings. I just checked on it. I haven't had to change not one thing. If I ran into any problems, I'd probably just give the company that installed a call, and I'm sure they could just walk me through it.
Signatech pretty much made it to where we didn't have to do anything. They filled out all the paperwork and just told me where to sign and when to sign, and they made it very seamless for us and did all the work for us. By having solar on our properties, it gives us the capability to have that confidence that we won't have the outages that we normally have during storms. Also, just having the off-grid capability is always a big thing for us. And then having the equity, the way we were able to acquire this system and not be in it for a whole lot of money. I believe if I were to sell the property, it gives me instant equity. We've actually even installed this at our primary home. We have our homestead and we want to be truly off-grid. And so we had 50 solar panels put in with inverters and battery backup.
I have recommended the system to a whole lot of people. We really wanted to lower our electric bill with going solar, and we definitely have.
If you'd like to explore more about the LG battery and Solis inverter systems and how they might fit into your solar goals, visit us at signaturesolar.com. Our design or sales teams will be happy to help answer any questions you might have about whether this system is right for you. Signature Solar, empowering you to own your own power.